The NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of central and eastern Kansas, northwestern Missouri. Effective this Tuesday afternoon from 5:50 p.m. until midnight CDT. Primary threats include isolated damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour, possible isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Summary: several multicellular severe thunderstorms may move into and or develop over the watch area through the remainder of the afternoon and evening, offering primarily a severe gust threat, with isolated large hail possible. Some clustering and upscale cold pool growth may occur, augmenting wind threat for a few hours over parts of the region.